101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Of course, we have a special program, and of course, we are back here. And namely, Smart Up Your Life English discussion, Smart FM with English communities. With me, Radias Disaril Sam or Erdisam. And of course, I'm not alone here. We have a friends from a views communities, English communities in Makassar. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite them to how to say introduce themselves one by one to smart listeners and viewers at home. But before, of course, I need energy. Okay, I want to ask you guys, how are you? Hi, how are you? How are you? Great, good, feeling good, feeling good. What about you? Okay. Yes, as I mentioned just now, that of course I want to invite you guys. Yeah, I would like invite you guys to introduce yourself one by one. Please introduce yourself. What is your community and what about the schedule or the agenda? Start from you, please. Come on. Yes.
Okay. this. Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Taufan. I'm from ECC, English Camp and Community. So right now I'm teaching it at ECC as grammar tutor.
Okay. Where is the location? Is easy.
Yeah. Exactly, the location is at Sudiang, Asrama Haji Street.
Okay. And what about the agenda? The how to say the schedule of the meeting club when you study, guys, especially in speaking.
Our agenda is full month English camp.
Okay.
It's like you camping at our dormitory in full month.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's English area.
Okay. So for more detailed information, you may mention the social media, and they smart listeners, of course, may ask anything relate about it. Okay. Please mention the Instagram.
Yeah. If you curious about ours, so you can find us in social media like Instagram, Facebook, etc. But especially from Instagram, you can find us scpucak.maros.
Okay, thank you, Taufan. Thank you, welcome. Yeah. Okay, next, the one and only, the most beautiful here. Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your community and what about the agenda? Please, come on.
Hello everyone. For the first, let me introduce myself first.
Yes.
I'm Siti Nurhalisa. You can call me Acha. I'm from Unsa.
Yeah.
I'm from Setting Community from Sabari Gading University.
Okay.
Like the name in activity community is Saturday in day Saturday, and I think it's a new community. So I think it's a new because we still learning and have a bit personality like.
Okay. Yeah, welcome back.
Yes.
So
okay.
every Saturday.
Every Saturday.
Okay, at 16 p.m. right?
Yes.
In the afternoon, right? After Asar, but the Asar.
Start morning.
Asar morning.
Yes,
Wow, 10
afternoon.
10 morning.
Yes.
Until
yes.
For afternoon.
Yes.
Wow, it's a long day. Okay, thank you. Welcome back,
Thank
Acha.
you.
Yeah, welcome back. Okay, next. What about you? Are you are familiar here?
Yeah.
Are you right? Okay, please.
I
Come on.
live here.
Oh, you live here. Okay.
Okay, so smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, let me introduce myself. My name is Noval Mufli, but you can call me
Mufli.
No. Noval.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm from Quinsa in Romampolong.
Romampolong. What is the Romampolong means?
Romampolong, how
Hutan
to say?
terbelah.
Yes. Okay, yeah. So in Quinsa we have actually an intensive class, like for to all of the members.
Yeah.
Like twice in a week. In weekend actually.
Okay.
We start from 4 p.m. until finish.
Okay, there is social media or Instagram.
Oh yeah, to all of you that want to join with us, feel free to ask in Instagram, Equinsa, ECUINSA.
Okay, thank you. Nope.
Nope.
Not kagak ya. Nope.
Nope.
No. Okay, please. Yeah, you know the clue, right? Okay, go ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Afdal Bau. You can call me Afdal. I'm
Mhm.
from Meta Macha English Talk Assembly,
Okay.
and my community is front of immigration office,
Okay.
and my event is start at Saturday every weekend,
Okay.
and
Free of charge, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And what else?
For anyone who to join,
for anyone to join
yes.
Meta or Macha English Talk Assembly, you can follow Meta Instagram,
Mhm.
META.
Okay,
Thank you.
welcome. This is your second chance, right?
Yes.
Okay, welcome, Abdul. Okay, yeah, as I just mentioned just now, that of course I would like to mention our topic for this evening. But before I mention our topic, of course, this topic is very interesting because this is the first time we would like to discussing about the subject where the people always to be good listener, to hear how to say people, to hear about all of the people, I mean like the all of people of course want to like how to say in English curhat, right? Yeah. And but the problem is these people, let me call emotional sponge. Yeah. Yeah, a very how to say, have a over sympathy, something like that, and of course intuitive, and like people pleaser also, and etc. And a lot of positive and negative also how to say impact of as an emotional sponge. And that's why our topic for this evening is emotional sponge. Give big applause for us. Yeah, are you ready, guys? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, I start from you, Tofan. Yes. Okay. How do you think about our topic for this evening? Emotional sponge.
Yeah, I think it's very interesting and a little bit hard because interesting because I'm the one of the, you can say, person who have emotional sponge because I'm very relatable.
Really?
Of that. Yeah.
You are a good listener. You are a good listener.
Yeah, I will say it loudly. I will say it out loud because actually from myself.
Okay. Okay. I will waiting you. we will waiting you and sharing everything.
I have a lot of stories.
Yeah.
For you.
Yeah. Okay, so this is very interesting because it's relate with your
Very relate.
self.
Yep.
Okay, so are you enthusiastic about our topic for this evening?
I'm very enthusiastic. I'm on it.
Okay, give your statement. Yeah. Okay, next I make it random.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, please. What about you, Afdal? How do you think about our topic for this evening?
I think this topic is seems like he said before, because it's term like used to describe someone who absorb and internalize the emotion and feelings.
Yeah, absorb. Right.
And and I think what can be managing this tendency involves learning to boundaries, to boundaries ourselves, to boundaries ourselves to people emotion, because
Okay.
we don't have to come to react or filter all of our emotion from other people's.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay, keep your statement. What about you? Nope. How do you think about our topic for this evening, emotional sponge?
Yeah, I think.
Which one you are? Are
Yeah.
you the people who curhat, or you are emotional sponge?
Okay, so actually, as a person, right? As a person, I'm as a good listener also.
Sorry?
Yeah. I'm the good listener. I'm also
Ooh,
the
okay.
emotional sponge.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like the topic for this evening is relatable to me.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah, as we know, this topic, like I said, the how to say emotional damage. It seems like the over empathic, over empathic, and it's so. It means like as a person, we feel like so sensitive about emotion, and like when someone or yeah in around us, emotion from the people maybe can make us overwhelmed. How to say overwhelmed, drained, and also uh, the final statement like how to say
No,
we
this is
like
not the final.
no it
Still
means
long. Do not put final statement. Do not.
it
put.
means like the emotional sponge person you feel like lose their emotional state themselves,
Okay.
yeah
Mhm.
yeah I think that's all.
Okay, keep your statement, kid. Okay, what about you, Icha?
So,
How do you think about our topic for this evening, emotional sponge?
so I think I have a difference in it, because I person typical is I have not care with other people's feelings. I only focus with myself.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I think emotional response is a really
It's not relate.
yes with
Mhm,
me.
mhm.
But sometimes I
Mhm.
meet with other people who have feeling like emotional sponge.
So, do you aware about this phenomena, this case before you sitting here that this exists in our in our daily this is exists. Are you aware about this?
Yes, of course, because sometimes I meet with people like that. So in my surrounding, I meet with my circle, have feeling like but have feelings like that, but I don't care about it. I only
Okay.
focus with myself.
Okay.
I think it's a bit selfish. So, but I feel I think it's okay.
Mhm.
It's me.
Okay. So yeah, we will find out what is the term about this actually. Not selfish, but there is a specific term maybe in other psychology terms, something like that, to put your feeling about this. Okay, it's nice. So this is not relate with you actually. Okay, but but adding your insight about new term, yeah, especially in emotional sponge. Okay, I would like to move to you again after. So, how do you think about the people who, as an emotional sponge, are you or not, or a half of an emotional sponge?
My position in this topic about emotional response, I can be both of them. Like I can be the good listener, and I can be the apatis. No, apatis.
Like you, but this.
So when someone come to
It's
me,
depend necessary. Okay.
so when someone come to me and talk the problem, and I will hear, but after I hear the stories, I can feel the negative nuances, negative nuances,
Vibes.
because I can filter the problem, so I can, when he say the problem, I have to separate the problem from and my problem, because
And also,
I
it's
feel,
depend
yeah,
on the business,
yes,
yeah.
because I'm in business. So when someone come to me and tell the stories of the problem, I have to choose that I want to give him the solution or not.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
depend.
Yeah, it's depend.
Okay, it's
depend
depend.
the problem.
Okay. Okay. What about you? Continue your statement before. How do you think about the emotional sponge? Even you are also emotional sponge. How
Yeah.
do you think about it?
As I said before, I'm also the emotional sponge person, right? But once again, I said like, actually, I can make it balance.
Okay.
I can make it balance according like what Afdal said before,
Mhm.
it depends like what the problem the people told us the story about it. Like for example, in my experience, when someone tell me their stories,
Mhm.
like sad story, for
Mhm.
example, and they say how to say they feel sad
Sad
and
story,
yeah.
divorce, and
No.
conflict.
Yeah, yeah. For example, like they have the conflict with their family for
Mhm.
like their family,
Mhm.
and I feel how to say flow
Mhm.
and and
Flow on the
and
water.
from the river.
The river.
How to say terbawa like
Okay.
like that from their stories, and then yeah, that's emotional sponge. We feel sad too.
Okay.
Yeah, and but in another case, I can feel like I have to become more focused to myself. Like Icha said before,
Mm.
we have
All
to.
by myself.
Not the song. Yeah, sometimes I feel I have to be
Separate.
yeah, separate
Mhm.
from their problems, so I can't become sad like this their story.
Okay, so you just try to be realistic,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that's all.
About this opinion,
Mhm.
right? Okay, thank you. What about you? How do you think about the people who, as an emotional sponge, even you are not? How do you think?
Maybe I think some person have emotional sponge is
Mhm.
sometimes they are have struggle
Mhm.
with their feelings, but because they are easily to observe other people's feeling,
Mhm.
even other people's don't being to tell
Mhm.
them, but they are have feelings that I can to know what the problems.
Mhm.
I wanna make a solution for
Mhm.
other problems. So I think it's hard to be have a emotional sponge, and I think it's
You just
it-
try to imagine, even
yes.
you are not, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Yeah. I think it's not enough good. I
Mhm.
think for me,
Mhm.
I don't know for other
Enough
people.
good or never enough?
I don't know.
Okay, just it.
Yes,
Okay,
I think.
keep your statement. Okay, what about you? Yeah, how do you think about the people who, as an emotional sponge, even you are? How you say you are emotional
Yeah.
sponge also? Okay, how do you think about this? About yourself also? About the people who, as an emotional sponge?
Okay, first I will say out loud. Being an emotional sponge is exhausted.
Oh,
Because- yeah,
exhausted.
exhausted. Because why? Even though they don't want to share their feelings, you will
Mhm.
try to absorb their emotions.
Yeah.
You will feel
No,
the
you
same
are the
way.
artist. See the camera, please.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
see the
will feel
camera.
the
You
same
are the
way.
artist. Okay.
But I want to say first. I want to say something
Yeah,
first.
yeah.
Okay, for the all the
You
student
sick.
who say I'm nervous. No, I feel no nervous. I'm freezing though. You can
Okay,
see
continue.
I'm freezing. Yeah, I'm shimmering.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What I was.
Simmering splendid and okay, continue.
Yeah, it will feel exhausted,
Uh-huh.
but you have to aware about yourself. You have your own thoughts. You have your own feelings.
Okay.
Why the hell you have to how to say sibuk?
Yeah. Busy?
Yeah, busy about their
Mhm.
problems. You have your own feelings.
Okay, it's a natural statement from you because you are a part of emotional sports.
Yeah.
So that's why it's look like very natural. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I would like to move to for the third question. My question is, how is the positive effect of as emotional sponge? Okay, start from you, Novel. Nope.
Okay.
Positive
Like the
side.
positive side.
Yeah, positive side.
from the emotional sponge
Yes.
person.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because I'm into it. I'm the emotional sponge person.
Mhm.
Yeah, same like what Taufan said before. It feel exhausted.
Mm.
Yeah, but in a different way, in a different case, we feel like we feel proud that we can be as a, how to say, as a place that can people share to us.
Mhm.
Like maybe they can share their story about something made feel, how to say, feel sad, and
Mm.
also they feel disgusting. Oh, no, 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 it means like terganggu. Yeah, disturb. Yeah, yeah, maybe they feel disturbed from their problem, but when they told us their story, they can how to say, mengurangi.
Minimize,
Yeah,
reduce.
they can reduce they can
Yes.
reduce their
Mhm.
sadness. But yeah, that the positive thing, we feel proud that we can be as a place that can they can share with us.
Mm.
Mhm.
And people always looking for you
Yeah.
because you
not
are
not always,
yeah,
but sometimes.
because you are good.
uh,
Yeah, emotional.
yeah, I'm a good
Emotional sponsor is
listener.
the good listener, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
But sometimes I run. Sometimes I run because
how many kilometers you run?
because I feel like
5K.
when they
10.
when maybe for example, like my friends,
Mhm.
when they t- share with us curhat like that.
Yeah, you
Mhm.
run because they
Yeah.
ask you to
Mhm.
bagi 100. Something like that, right?
If
Come on.
they want some money, maybe I'm not the right place.
Okay, thank you, Nova.
Yeah.
Okay, Icha, how do you think about the positive side of this phenomenon, emotional response? The positive sides.
So I think because I'm not the person like have
Mhm,
emotional sponsor,
mhm.
but in the circle I see my friends. It's a good because they are pay attention for
Okay.
our other for other people's problem.
Mhm.
They are have some what is name
Who is Nopal?
novel says like a good listener.
Uh-huh.
So sometimes my friends to give me some
Somewhat.
uh,
What they
how,
give you?
how to say in
Uh,
Indonesia, solution.
yeah,
They are
solution.
give me solution for my problems, but sometimes I feel bad because they are before me they are cry before me cry. So
Oh, okay.
I think it's why I have to make you cry, to make you sad.
Mhm.
I only tell you.
Mhm.
I'm not. I have not.
Mhm.
How to say membuat kamu sedih itu.
Okay,
Yeah,
make you sad. Yes.
I only tell you.
Mhm.
So I just
Don't worry.
yes, it's make me bad sometimes.
mhm.
So
Don't worry.
yes.
Everything is gonna be alright. Okay, thank you, Cha. So, Topan, what is your perspective about the positive sides about this emotional sponge?
Talking about the positive sides, I think it's more like negative, but
It's more.
we cannot.
But I asked you to put
Yeah,
positive,
positive, yeah.
please. Come on.
Only for being.
There is special segment for negative.
oh, yeah.
Hold
Sorry.
on, hold on.
Sorry
Yeah.
to up and down.
Just focus on positive, please.
Okay, I think it's only being a people pleaser. Yeah.
Okay.
Good listener as well, and then being supportive.
Okay.
Yeah, an empathetic person. I
Mhm.
think only that.
So the benefit, if you are be a is supportive
Mhm.
and etc. What is the benefit?
Maybe the benefit, I think you will know the other person's stories.
Okay.
because
Okay.
yeah, because if someone's share
And you
their
are
story-
medicine for the peoples, right?
Yeah, I hope so.
You are
I hope so.
you are medicine for the peoples.
Yeah. But yeah, you will know a bunch of stories, the other stories, even though you have own stories.
Mm.
I think only that. Yeah, it's enough.
Okay, hidup gelisong.
Yeah.
So, thank you. Okay, what about you, Abdel? They get the point, right? Positive sides.
uh, emotional sponge.
In positive sides.
We can have a positive aspect, such as being able to deeply connect with and understand others. It can be challenging because, example like when someone call you, hello Afdal, I have a problem. You can solve for me. So I think maybe we can open the consultant office.
Yeah,
Maybe.
yeah. Solve problem. Solve problem without
Yes,
problem.
Yes. Fix problem with problem.
Yeah. Solve problem without problem.
Yeah. So I think
You.
you
Okay.
Yeah. That's enough for me.
Continue.
You know the deep stories.
Yeah,
about
please
the
make it.
peop-
Yeah, make it prefer.
the deep stories
Yeah,
about,
make it get.
other people from around,
Put.
around you.
Yes.
Around you.
Yeah.
then-
Okay.
And I think it's the one of the positive aspect
Mm-hmm.
to be the emotional sponge.
Any else?
As long I know.
Try
it's-
to recall data. Did you search?
Just that.
Okay, keep your statement. Okay, now I would like to talking about the negative sides. Okay, I start from you, Icha. Negative sides about emotional sponge itself.
The negative, I think negative. You have put important feelings other people first before
Mhm.
you.
Mhm.
So you can to have who you are.
Mhm.
Okay, only other people's have important for you, for feelings important for you, and your feelings
Mhm.
is the second.
Mhm.
So sometimes you can to now what's your problem.
Okay.
You can to how to say selesaikan.
Solving.
Yeah, you're solving problems.
Yeah.
So because you have struggle with other people with people problem.
Mhm.
So I think you have make a boundaries.
Yes.
between
Yes.
the,
I agree about it.
Other people problems
Mhm.
with your problems. So please take care for yourself first
Mhm.
before other people. So I think it's
Mm.
enough for me.
Okay, and sometimes our personality is our reflection, right?
Yes, I think that. But we can
Mhm.
put to our self control.
Mhm.
How we give how to say reaction.
Okay.
How to give reaction to other people problems. How to give a solution is good.
Do you know?
Yes.
I like your hair.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, continue.
I think it's a good, but
Uh-huh.
please take care for yourself first before other people.
Okay, it's wise. Yeah, statement. Okay, what about you? Nope. To get a paragraph,
What
negative,
about the
negative sides.
negative side?
Mhm.
Yeah.
The opposite of before.
Like I said before, my first statement, it feels like we have sometimes we feel like overwhelmed, we feel drained, and maybe we can lose our emotional state from ourselves. So
Explain every steps.
the states, yeah, the emotional states,
Yeah.
like our angriness,
Mhm.
anger,
Uh,
sadness, like in the movie, how to say,
what
Inside
is
Out.
the
Yeah.
but what is the correlation the
Hmm.
angry man and the angry birds?
No, yeah, it's just the same red color.
Okay. Really? Okay. Mm.
Okay, so I'll continue my statement. Yeah, the negative side
Yeah.
about how to say before, emotional sponge.
Yeah.
Yeah, we as a sponge, and the negative side we
Like a
we cannot
SpongeBob, yeah.
no. SpongeBob is crazy.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, and yeah, Acha said before, just keep yourself how to say safe, right?
Mhm.
And yeah, we have to think about ourselves first before we want to help somebody else.
Mhm.
And yeah, we can feel proud when we can help maybe our friends or our family, like we can be a good listener to them.
Mhm.
But yeah, you have to make a border. Yeah, we have to separate our problems and theirs. Yeah,
Okay, I underline border or boundaries. Okay,
border.
okay,
Yeah, border.
not boundaries, right? Yes, yes, I see, I know. Kidding. Okay,
Maybe,
negative sides.
one of the negative to become a emotional response, maybe
Mhm.
they may difficult to separate their own emotional
Yeah.
from those others, particularly in highly or stressful environment.
Yeah.
And one of the negative too is like after hearing the people's stories,
Mm.
they feel can depressed, that maybe
I agree.
they get panic attack and
Mhm. Panic
emotional
attack,
burnout,
and
emotional
of
burnout.
course, suddenly they push panic button.
Yeah. This panic button and,
911, call 911. Uh-huh.
is the one of the negative to become emotional response.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to separate your problem and people problem.
Any else? Any else?
Any else is be wise.
Okay, keep your statement. Okay, what about you, Taufan? The negative sides of emotional sponge itself.
Oh, I can talk it all night, but yeah, you know, the negative sides, it will be, it will be harmful for yourself because stressful. If someone's who close to you feel depressed or even sad, you will feel the same way. Even though you have happy feelings, chill before,
Mhm.
but suddenly you will feel the same way.
Mm.
The only way you have to, the only way you want to, how to say, mengurangi,
Decrease,
decrease,
minimize,
minimize that.
reduce.
You have to choose your circles. You have to choose your environment. Avoid the person who always chit chat. Even
Okay.
yeah.
Chit chat.
Avoid the persons who always talkative maybe,
Uh-huh.
and how to say pemarah. It's a
Emotional.
The anger man.
The anger.
The anger man.
grumpy maybe.
Grumpy.
Yeah.
Grumpy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially the grumpy person because
Uh.
I have a lot.
Could you spell it? Could you spell it? Grumpy.
Grumpy. It's GRUMPY.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
It's this new word for us and you smart listeners at home also. Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
Stefan. Okay, I move to you, Icha. How do you put boundaries or self boundaries about emotional sponge?
I mean,
Yeah, yeah. Which one? I or me? Which one is?
I have nervous.
Why?
So I put boundaries. How I put boundaries is okay. I listen. I have listen for other
Listen.
yeah, listen for other people problems. But if I have listen, yeah, I make it. I let how to say Allah believe.
Do not hesitate. Do not hesitate. Put in bahasa when you say in English. You can just come on, just go with the flow. Let it go.
I make it
Okay, come on.
I make it yeah, I make it free for other people problems. So if I have finished to listen, yes, stop here. So I have no give a solution. I have no only say please be patient, so yeah, I have no give solution because I have problem too. You and Sam have problem. Maybe my problem is more big.
Then
Yeah,
you.
but I don't because I have make a solution for myself, so I think you can too do it. So
All by myself.
yeah, you
Okay, it's totally funny, smart listeners and viewers at home. Oh my god. Okay, thank you. Okay,
Yes.
keep your statement. Okay, Taufan again. Okay, how do you put self boundaries about emotional sponge itself?
Can you please repeat that? What do you mean?
I mean, like
boundaries?
put boundaries, meletakkan batasan,
Oh, yeah.
to how to say, to anticipate your mental health.
Yeah. I think the first thing you have to do is aware about
Mhm.
yourself,
Okay.
because a lot of people don't know about their self is
Yeah.
emotional sponge.
Don't know, cause you
Yeah.
know.
Yeah. First you have to aware about yourself,
Mhm.
and then if you feel the same way,
Mhm.
maybe just go in the place only that you know, maybe.
Go to the beach.
Yeah, good. Beach so much. There are so many person in the beach.
Okay. Go to the mountain.
Yeah, in the forest, and then live there like a Tarzan. I will say it out loud because, yeah, that's me. I will. I always say. Maybe it sounds like overclaimed, but yeah, I always feels like that. Sometimes I want to find the place that the only person who know that place.
Like hidden gem, no?
Yeah, hidden gem, and then hidden forever. Just kidding.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on.
Don't do that, okay?
Don't do that. Future wife is waiting you.
Yeah, for those who want to. Okay, so I think just aware about yourself. You have your own thoughts, and why the hell you have to care about their feelings? You have your own feelings.
Okay. It's totally funny also. Thank you, Taufan. Okay, what about you? How do you put boundaries or self boundaries about?
I think to set boundaries, I think you have to manage this tendency. I think kecenderungan to solve other people's problem,
Yeah.
and you have to practicing self care.
Mhm.
You have to more self
So-
care to yourself
Yeah.
than other people because
You know,
Uh,
self care about the therapy.
it
Oh,
was fresh
therapy.
care.
No, don't mention it. Come on, God. Oh my God. Okay, continue. Continue. Uh-huh.
You have to more you have to more self to care more care to yourself because you're important to yourself, not other people, because
Me important for myself.
Uh.
You also important for yourself.
Yes.
Right?
You and me.
Okay. Any else?
And you have to manage that when you want to take care to yourself and other people's problem. You have to separate when you want to care to yourself. In other side, you have to supportive to other people's problem.
Okay. Okay. Nope. How do you think?
Yeah, to make a boundaries,
Yes,
to make a border.
Yes.
Yeah, the first thing I want to mention, like, feel free to say no when you are not ready to
Say
receive.
no.
Say no.
Say no.
It means a lot. Like, maybe you can how to say, to turn off your WhatsApp, maybe, or yeah, to turn off your data, or maybe, yeah,
How
when
many
you
giga do you have data, right?
12 gigabyte.
Okay, continue.
Yeah, that's the first one. It means like, when you are not ready to receive their stories, maybe you can manage your time to make you feel, how to say, just do your activity, your
Yeah.
daily activity,
Yeah.
and prepare to yourself, you're healthy. And the second one, maybe you have to don't normalize physical touch with the person who always share their sadness. It means like they share their negative, how to say, the negative feelings.
Vibes.
Oh yeah, aura and vibes.
Aura cast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Continue.
Yeah,
please.
in psychology, I think that when we are like, how to say, physical touch, maybe hug or we hug, the negative energy we will
Reduce.
reduce
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
come to
reduce.
us.
Oh yeah.
Their
Mhm.
negative
Mhm.
vibes
Mhm.
come to us. Yeah, transfer.
Transfer. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and
No, no. You money oriented. Okay, I will up this for our next discussion. Money oriented.
yeah,
Okay.
and the last one, maybe you can you don't feel doubt, how to say, jangan ragu,
Mhm.
that to separate you from the other problems. Maybe they have problems that you hard to help, you hard to solve it.
Mhm.
Just say, maybe you can come
Baby.
to the other friends.
Baby, it's you.
No. Yeah, just say it. It means like, just say, maybe you can come to maybe Afdal to share your story.
And
Maybe
to me, share your money.
maybe maybe they can help, because the first one, I don't have money, and the second one, I have many problems.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my next question. Yeah, we're talking about emotional response, but how do you think, guys, about the people as a oversharing people? Yes, oversharing means that the subject, the people who always share
Oh yeah, yeah.
share their problem, of course. Yeah, oversharing. Who want to be a first speaker?
Yeah, me.
Oh, good.
I want to share this.
Okay,
Yeah,
how do you think about the oversharing people?
yeah. For if you watch this, my
Mhm.
roommate as well.
Ooh.
Also,
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, okay. Continue.
If absorbing someone's emotion is a job, maybe I will be a rich person.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay, for my roommate, oversharing. Yeah, I am very relevant of this because I sit alone playing my phones, and then
Mhm.
suddenly he's come oversharing, even though I don't ask.
Mhm,
Yeah,
mhm.
even though I don't ask, they share. He shares everything, even though I don't want to know. I don't want to hear. So I say, "Shut up! I'm tired of this. I'm tired of all this." Yeah, just Mr. Novel said. Yeah,
Mhm.
you have to brave to say no.
Mhm.
Yeah. You have to say no sometimes. I
Mhm.
tried. Okay.
Okay. So start from now. You brave to say no.
I will try. I will try.
I will try.
If I don't forget.
I don't forget.
If I don't
Okay.
forget.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Cha? How do you think about oversharing people? I mean, like the opposite of this. Yeah.
I think sometimes it's okay, but sometimes can be a problem.
Why?
Because I think it's okay because people to
Mhm.
oversharing because they are feeling lonely.
Mm.
Feeling lonely, so or when they are child,
Mhm, mhm,
someone never listen.
mhm.
They are not have apa ya, how to say, orang-orang dekat yang mendengarnya.
Mhm, mhm.
So only save the feelings only.
Support system.
Mhm.
They are not have support system.
Mhm.
So if they are meet with people around, so come on, listen me. I have problems. So
Mhm,
blah 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 blah. Because
mhm.
the first meet with people a good listener.
Mhm.
So, but the problems is with the
I think you have a friend, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, I mean, like, C is a woman, right? C is a woman.
Yes.
And the woman is always come to you, or maybe sometimes.
Sometimes.
And maybe she just asking you to please buy my book. No.
no, no, no,
No.
But I think
Mhm.
the problems is how to say terletak di pendengarnya. No.
It's depend on the listener.
Yeah, not in speaker, but
Yeah.
in listener. So I think
How many speakers do you need in the saloon? 1, 2, 3.
only
Too whole.
Okay, it's depend on the speaker, right?
yeah.
Mhm.
Depend on
Okay.
the listen.
Listen.
Depend is on the
Listener. Yeah,
not the
listener.
speakers.
Yeah.
If speaker only enjoy,
Because you don't know.
how you feel if you tell someone your problem?
Please use this.
Yeah. Can you repeat, please?
How you feel when you share your problem to other people?
Anicha, and now you are the host. Okay, continue.
Yeah, I think it's very rare I share my feelings to the someone's because I mostly hurt someone's.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, I think that
Okay.
it's very rare.
Mhm.
Maybe someone's forget directly if I tell.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, Afdal? How do you think about the oversharing people?
I get a position like oversharing people. As
Mhm.
oversharing people, maybe he's feeling lonely, like Miss said before. Feeling lonely, looking for someone that want to know their problem, and I think become oversharing people is when I meet them, and I
What
will
kind of
say-
meet gala, Google Meet, or Meet? Okay, continue.
And I will just take a break and move to the other
Ooh.
activity.
Take a break.
Take a break.
Take a break. A break.
Take a
Okay, break.
and move to the other activity. Some
Mhm.
until they finish their stories,
Yeah.
and I will note it, and
Mhm.
sometimes the stories not finished, so
Mhm.
I will continue to
Mhm.
the chat. So I think with the oversharing people is they're looking for someone that
Attention.
attention.
Okay, thank you.
Looking for a vent or confide.
Okay, thank you. What about you? How do you think about the oversharing people? And give conclusion about our topic for this
Yeah.
evening.
Like its name, oversharing.
Yeah.
I just want to mention the word over, because our prophet said like over is not good. Yeah. Like oversharing, it means like you have to like I just said before, oversharing is like you feel lonely and you don't have someone close,
Okay.
to heard your story.
And your conclusion.
Mm.
What about your conclusion about our topic?
Our conclusion, my
Because
conclusion.
we have a limited time. Remember?
Okay.
No.
So
Conclusion.
our conclusion for the topic in this evening, being a emotional sponge person is not good. But actually, you have to separate your problem with the others, and you have to boundaries to make a boundaries, and then you have to focus yourself too, because your mental health is also important. Not only someone problem, because you also have problems.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. Make it short. Your conclusion, please. Make it short. One
Make it short.
sentence. Yeah.
Uh,
One sentence.
be wise.
Not one sentence. They,
One sentence.
one word. One sentence, please.
Be
60.
wise and take care of yourself.
Just it.
That's it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, Cha? Don't say healthy inside, fresh outside. Yeah, don't say. Okay. Okay.
Make a boundaries
Mhm.
and how to say take care of yourself.
Take care. Okay. Thank you. What about you? What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
I'll make it short. It's like aware yourself, and then you have to say no if you have to. Don't always be a people pleaser. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Giving applause for us. Thank you so much, guys, for coming in our
You're
second home.
welcome.
Thank you, Taufan from ECC. Thank you, Icha Acha, yeah, from Unsa. Thank you, Naval from Equinsa. Thank you, Afdal from Meta. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for coming in our second home. That's all our conversation or discussion for this evening about talking about emotional response. I think you guys, yeah, smart listeners and viewers at home, of course, can get many benefit or insight about our topic for this evening. And then don't forget to of course always watch our English podcast. Yeah, Smart Up Your Life English Discussion, Smart FM with English Communities every Tuesday at 7 p.m. And see you for the next week. Bye bye.